Good afternoon and welcome to another mini tutorial from UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're looking at our part number 1781, which is the Maco old style door gearbox, and that's the replacement of the box. Now we've been asked by a couple of people who have had difficulties with it to explain how to change the box over. So we'll show you how to do that, and hopefully you'll be a little bit wiser by the end. The exchanging of the boxes on the Maco, our part number 1781, sometimes proves a little bit awkward, and we've had a number of customers who have suggested that we make this video to explain how to go about this process. Firstly, you'll need a T20 screwdriver, which is the one with the star ends on, a posi drive, and sometimes if you're a little bit ham-fisted you might need a thin bladed flat screwdriver. So this is the process that we go through to exchange the box. Once you've removed the box and strip from the door, lay it on a flat surface with these two edges showing at the top. At the other side it's flat, so you know that you've got it the right way around. And the other thing to do is, when you've got the spindle out of the door, put it back into the lock and make sure that the lock positions on the hooks are in, so they're reversed and clear to work on. Now, by doing that, that allows the rails that are sitting behind the outer rail to pull back in this direction. The reason that you retract them will become clear shortly. So we start now by removing the screws. There's always the posi drive long screw first, which is at the top of the lock. So that's the long screw, keep that there. Then with the T20 driver, we've got 3 more screws on the lock, and they're short ones. So that's 1, 2, 3. So they're removed and out of the way, and carefully then fold it back over. Now, first things first, using the slide to release the sneck, pull it back and pull that out. It's on a spring, so it will come back easily. Can you see? Because we've pulled the rails this way, it's now allowing them to slip out of here, but usually they will catch on the lock. So we just pull it out slightly, lift and lift. We've now released this, and you can see there that you've got 2 notches which connect to the drive on the lock. Now, it's most important that whilst you are removing this and changing it, once you've taken the latch out, or if you take the latch out to reverse the latch, never ever put the spindle back in here and turn it. And this is the reason why we're explaining this, because inside of here there is a spring and a plate which easily come out if you alter the position of this. So always, before you take the striker out, make sure that this is in the open position, and now that old one should be able to be taken away along with the latch. The new one now again requires the latch to be removed. Offer that back in here, and this is where it can be a little bit difficult, especially when you're leaning over the bench as I am at the moment. The 2 arms go in. May need to move them ever so slightly to get them to go into place. Check that the bolt is coming through, and now offer the latch back in. Trick with the latches, there's a flip here, and that's designed to be an anti-slam device. So you have to fold it over towards the front so that the little lip sits behind this ridge. Offer it into the lock and carefully push it in until it clicks. Once it's clicked, the plastic will be retained behind the plate, and as the door closes, it pushes the latch in. Now we simply turn it back over and offer the screws back in place. 1, 2, 3. Change the screwdriver to the posi drive. Drive the fourth one home. Don't over tighten. And that's it, it's completed. Another job well done there, and I hope that that's been very helpful for you, and that you're not afraid of having a go at changing that box now. Thank you very much for watching, and wish you all the best for the future. Thank you.